In this video, I'll tell you how you can modify values in a simple life with my sister using Cheat Engine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, you'll need Cheat Engine installed on your PC. You'll find the download link and setup tutorial in the description of this video. Launch a simple life with my sister and make sure the game is running before opening Cheat Engine. For this demonstration, I'll be using Greenfield Valley because a simple life with my sister isn't suitable to show directly on this platform, but the process is nearly identical. Open Cheat Engine, select the game process, change value type to all, and enter the exact number you're trying to modify. Click First Scan and wait for the results. Once the scan is complete, return to the game and make that value change. If it's money, spend some or earn more. Then go back to Cheat Engine, enter the new amount, and click Next Scan. Repeat the process until only a small number of addresses remain. After finding the correct address, double-click it or edit the value manually and enter the number you want. Sometimes the game updates immediately, while other times you'll need to trigger another change before the counter refreshes. That's the basic method used for finding many different values, and once you learn it, the whole process becomes much easier to repeat in other games. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.